Okay, let's have another example in multiplying monomial by a polynomial. So again, in multiplying a monomial to a polynomial, we are going to use the distributive property wherein we will multiply the monomial to each term of our polynomial. So let's have our example. So let's have 6x multiplied to 2x plus 3. So let's apply the distributive property wherein we multiply 6x to our first term, which is 2x. So their product will be, let's multiply the coefficient, 6 times 2, that is 12. And x times x, that will be x. Copy the variable and then add the exponent. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So their product will be 12x squared. Next, let's multiply 6x and positive 3. So we multiply the coefficient by the coefficient, 6 times 3, that is 18. So positive 18. Then copy the variable x, x. Their product will be 12x squared plus 18x. And that will be our final answer. Alright. Ta-da! And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.